So there are very substantial changes going on across the world. I have literally skipped over the surface, just making you aware. I've not covered the detail of many of these changes at all. So yes, we've got changes in the EU, revised human laws, new GMP regulations for veterinary, and numerous changes to the human GMP in UDRLEX Volume 4. Outside of the EU, you've got ICH changes, FDA personnel changes leading to, frankly, quite a lot of instability within FDA. You've got the new African Medicines Agency. And one thing I would say is the rate of change does not look like diminishing. So quality professionals and qualified persons must keep themselves and their companies up to date with these changes. To help you do that, I published a quarterly subscription service. So every quarter of the year, NSF, myself, publish pre-recorded updates for changes occurring in the EU, the UK, the USA, and those being driven by other international organizations. So I'll give you the full scope of all of those changes, but equally, so that you don't have to listen to everything again, because not everything changes within a quarter. It's quite scary how much does change within a quarter, but I do a summary of just the changes since the last quarterly update. And then about 2 or 3 weeks after the pre-recordings are made available to you online, we have a live online Zoom question and answer session for subscribers each quarter, so that you can share your experiences and ask questions of me, but also with other subscribers. And so we have well over 150 subscribers now, and that number is growing quite rapidly. So that service is aimed at keeping you up to date with what's going on.